Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Volkswagen ID.4 charging schedules with We Connect step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Volkswagen ID.4 is parked and powered on. Open the We Connect app on your smartphone. Log in to your account using your credentials. On the app's home screen, locate the charging section. Tap on the charging settings option. You will see the current charging schedule. To modify the schedule, select the desired charging time. Adjust the start and end times according to your needs. If necessary, set the charging days for the schedule. Make sure to enable the charge when electricity costs are lowest option if applicable. Once your schedule is set, review your changes for accuracy. After verifying, tap Save to update the charging schedule. Your ID.4 will now follow the updated charging plan as specified. You can return to this section anytime to make further adjustments. The We Connect app also allows you to monitor battery status in real time. Ensure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi for optimal performance. Regularly check for app updates to access new features. With the charging schedule updated, you're all set to enjoy effortless charging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.